Okay, everybody, we're on the home stretch for chapter 2, and we're on page 49, and these are just rhythm practices that we can do together. There's several ways you can do them. I really recommend you get good at rhythm because every musician must be rhythmic in order to call themselves a true musician. It's the foundation of all music. If I go to a concert and I hear a wrong note, it really doesn't bother me nearly as much. I might not even know for sure it was a wrong note, but if someone's off the beat, it's instantly, you can tell right away. And you can't, go back and fix it, especially if you're playing with other people. So just remember that rhythm is the foundation that we build everything on top of. So for number 1, let's try this 2 different ways. Let's try, you can pull, if you have a key cover on your keyboard, you can pull that down and just everything above the line is right hand and below the line is left, just like what we had in chapter 1. So let's try number 1, starting with right, and let's just say the hands. 1, 2, ready, hands. Right, 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 left, left, left. Right, rest. Right, right, left. 2, 3, 4. Right, right, 3, 4. Left, left, 3, 4. Both, tie, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, even on rhythms, when there is no pitch, if there's nothing in between those notes and it looks like a slur, you wouldn't really slur rhythms that have no pitch. So that would be a tie. So you do not play the last measure. You hold it, but you don't strike it again. What else? Another way that you can practice, let's go on to number 2. You can do them on the keyboard if you want to add some pitch to it. So let's just, you can pick whatever notes you like. In my left hand for number 2, I'm going to play a C, and I'm going to play a G up here in the right hand. You could do them closer together if that's more comfortable, whatever you like. So now we'll hear the note lasting when we play it on the keys. 1, 2, ready, and both, right, right, right. 1, 2, rest, 4. 1, 2, rest, 4. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both, 2, 3, 4, off. And make sure you count through 4, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, off on the imaginary 5. So don't come off on 4 because it has to last for 4 full counts. Okay, let's do number 3. I see a tie in number 3, so let's see if you're quick enough to catch it. And I'm going to change the pitches. Let's go to F in the left and an A in the right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, right hand. Left, 2, 3. Both, tie, 2. Left, right, 2, 3. Both at the last measure. Notice the second last measure, you should put rests, when it's changing hands, you'll often see a lot of rests when the voices change. So yeah, piano music can get very dense looking at times. All right, number 4, let's do a G in the left and a B in the right. Starting with left hand, 1, 2, 3. Left, rest, 2, 3. So I just want to point out, see the whole rest because it's hanging from the line. That stands for the whole measure. So you can have a dotted half rest for 3, 4, or you can just put a whole rest, and that also stands for the whole measure. Either way is acceptable. Different composers prefer different ways. Okay, number 5, let's do C and G again. Starting with an upbeat. So starting on beat 4 in the right hand. 4, 1, 2, 3. off because of the upbeat, off on 4. Okay, last one, everybody. Let's mix it up and do a D in the left and an F sharp in the right, now that we know about sharps. Okay, D and F sharp. Here we go, starting on beat 3. 3, 1, 2. Left, left, right, 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 both. Left, 2, 3, both, 2, off on 3. Okay, so hopefully your rhythm is really improving, and congratulations on finishing chapter 2.